Apply the dispersive electrode pads according to the accompanying instructions for use and the figures in the body atlas. See Dispersive Electrodes Instructions for Use. The radiodispersive electrodes must only be used with the RF generator. The entire surface area of the dispersive electrode must be in contact with the patient. Clean and dry application site. Open package and remove pads. Remove liner to expose conductive and adhesive areas. Place the dispersive electrode on a well-vascularized muscular site at least 25 centimeters from the ablation site, with the cables facing away from the ablation site. Electrode gel is not required and should not be used. Connect the dispersive electrodes to the RF generator. Ensure that any other dispersive electrodes are not placed between the ablation location and the dispersive electrodes used with the RF generator. Prepare the patient using the standard technique for electrosurgery. The patient's entire body, including extremities, should not come into contact with metal parts which are earth-grounded or which have an appreciable capacitance to earth. For example, operating table supports. Sufficient layers of electrically insulated sheets should be used for this purpose. A waterproof cover should be placed over the insulating sheets, with absorbent sheets placed between the patient and the waterproof cover to absorb any moisture. Skin-to-skin contact, such as between the torso and the arms and between the legs of the patient, should be avoided by insulating these contacts with sheets or dry gauze. Any monitoring electrodes should be placed as far as possible from the device and should incorporate high-frequency current limiting devices. Cables connected to the device should not contact the patient or other electrical leads. Needle monitoring electrodes are not recommended. Low power output or failure of the RF generator to deliver RF energy may indicate faulty application or connection of the dispersive electrode.